Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you.
He is brushing his teeth and driving. I don't know where he's gonna spit, and I don't want to.
It's better than taxiing and driving.
Is it?
Yeah.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh.
What are you doing?
We have a few hours free, and we want to get some work done, but it's really hot outside, so we don't want to sit in the van. So usually McDonald's is a go-to, but as with every fast food place right now, the dining room's closed. We're wasting a lot of time driving around, figuring out where we can sit and do some work. Kings, working on some projects and editing.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh,
Did we get a ticket? Moment of truth. No!
Trust growing stronger in me?
Yeah, it is.
What happened?
We got ants.
Oh.
They climbed up this little grass blade that was touching our car. Now they're everywhere. On the road trip, I've been trying new things from Trader Joe's. I'll just buy a new thing every time to like keep it interesting. And I've been buying these. Anytime we open a box, it's gonna be gone 30 minutes